Hello, Eric and Carly and everyone over there at Midstate Construction. My name is Charles, and I wanted to shoot this quick video giving you a few quick recommendations on optimizing your site and optimizing yourselves so that more clients can come to you organically without advertising, without using lead companies like Home Advisor or Angie's List. Like I spoke to Carly, I think I mentioned I had found you guys on Angie's List. And why am I doing this? I'm giving these free recommendations. First of all, just to give value first. These crazy days we're in, a lot of people want to be paid first and then sometimes, and will guarantee results, but sometimes do not deliver. So I just wanted to kind of prove myself at first. And you can take these recommendations, use them, give them to your website or SEO person, and start to draw in more and more clients. If you like what you see, and I have a couple of more tricks up my sleeve, I'm more than willing to work with you guys and help you grow. The other reason I'm doing this is because these days I know a lot of business owners are way too busy to actually learn the stuff of how to optimize and how to just draw in clients organically, and what I'm going to show you. And there's tons of information out there. There are many people who do this, and sometimes you don't know who to choose. So please take these recommendations. If you have someone already, use them. If you have way too much business and you're booked out, then you may not even need me. But keep this and come back to it, and hopefully it will help you guys. So the three things I want to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your site. I'm going to select everything I've selected in blue. I've highlighted in blue all the text, pictures, the words behind the pictures. For example, if I look at this picture, I really like this picture, but it's saved as a random string of letters and images. Letters and numbers. It's important to optimize with Google and be relevant. It's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text, which is saturated or littered around with keywords. Keywords are those phrases that people use to search for your services. We know these days about 90% of people look for local services on Google, and 70% of those do not pass the front page. So this is all about becoming more and more relevant for Google searches, for those buyer intent searches that people are doing every month. So just looking at your site, I do like the pictures you have. However, your text, there's probably about maybe 100 to 200 words of text. I would definitely increase this. And by authoritative, I mean showing what you do, who you are, the locations you service, what services you provide, and any relevant thing towards your business. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, when it comes to a Google search, if I'm looking for a company for a service like yours, a construction service, or rather a general contractor, a typical search someone may make is general contractors, Sonoma County. You have, first thing you'll see are these Google ads. Now, Google ads are always hit or miss. They are good for immediate, quick leads. However, they tend to become more and more expensive depending on the niche and the location. Second thing is that a lot of people these days have ad blockers. So I always tell my clients or potential clients that there is a segment of the population which you'll miss because people have ad blockers. However, if they're good for quick leads, they do get expensive because they are pay-per-click. This second section here below the ads is known as a map pack, and this is where citations come into play. A citation is anywhere in any directory online that your name, address, and phone number are cited. So the higher in quality and the higher in number of citations you have, the higher you'll rise up here. And by quality, I mean, niche relevant to your niche. So there are tools out there, for example, Bright Local, whitespark.ca, that you can go in and find out exactly how many citations and where your competitors are cited. And then you can go into those directories, make sure you appear there. But not only that, you want to double or triple the number of citations that your competitor has, so you remain at the top of this map pack here. I'm going to just click on the map. So you can see there are more and more businesses in the map pack. But I do not see, no, I don't see yours right here. So that's citations. Below the map pack is what's known as the organic listings. This is where this has a lot to do with backlinks, and that's the third thing I wanted to talk about: backlinks. Now, backlinks are, if you think of the internet as a web of pages, a backlink is when one website links directly to your website, has a link about your website. For example, if there's a conference on builders, on general contractors in Sonoma County, and they have a forum up, and they have a blog up, and they have a site that's a link that's directing traffic to your site, that's a relevant, Google sees that as a relevant backlink. Not all backlinks are the same. For example, if it's an Arby's or an In-N-Out burger that has a link directing to you, Google will see that and count it as a little bit spammy because there's almost no relation between your niches. So let me take your, like, in the results here, we'll see Yelp, which is a directory. I'm sure you know what Yelp is. All these look like directories. So I'm going to take the first organic. This is your competitor here. I'm going to take their link and drop them into a tool that I have called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a popular tool. A lot of people have it. It's kind of expensive per month, but it helps you analyze websites and analyze different keywords, find out what your competitors are searching for. So, Sonoma County Builders, they're here. They have about 22 backlinks from 11 referring domains, and their ranking, Google is picking them up for 83 keywords. And you can look at the kind of traffic that they're getting from these keywords. So, for example, construction companies in Sonoma County, 90 people search for that per month. They get 11 people because they're third. So let's go back and analyze backlinks. I did that just to show you that there's quite a bit of traffic for people who are looking for your kind of business. So it's up to your website or SEO person to come in, analyze your competition's backlinks, make sure you have the same height of their high quality backlinks. Not only that, you want to double or triple the number of backlinks that they have. I took the liberty of putting your company into here, and I can tell you have tons of backlinks, but your ranking, Google's picking up for a lot less keywords, and probably that's why you're not above. That's why you're not above these guys, your competitors here in Sonoma County for this one search, general contractors, Sonoma County. So it's incumbent to you guys to go in, find out what your competitors are ranking for. Let's go again to Sonoma County Builders. Look at their keywords. Research. It's called keyword research. Find out what searches your potential clients are doing, and make sure those keywords are appearing here. Make sure you have proper relevant backlinks that are also linking, anchored to a number of those keywords. And increase your citations and increase the text. Make it authoritative and full of keywords, not only on your front page, but also on your back pages. And in that way, I would also encourage you, not only news, but to have a blog as well that can help in linking and also showing Google how relevant, in backlinking and also showing Google how relevant you are. With those three things, you will start to receive more and more traffic and get more business and grow your business. I know you guys do quality work, because I can see 80% of your projects are with repeat clients. So that tells me a lot about your business. Thank you very much. If you like what you see, my name is Charles. You can respond to my email or give me a call or even text me. I'm available. If not, no harm, no foul. Just use these tips. Give them to whoever handles your SEO or your website design and start drawing in more clients. Thank you very much.